stranger things, life of stranger things, every part of stranger things, dream of places I guess that's just who we are.
We used to run around this ghost town, always thinking out loud, how we gonna get out. I remember we dreamed of places that we could go, castles with the strange glow, people that we don't know. I remember we left a life that's ordinary from the start. We look for stranger things, cause that's just who we are. Find me the edge of something beautiful and loud, like I'm picturing now. Castles built under Spanish skies, but I'm just looking out for you tonight. Snow white mountains in a foreign state, tell me someday we'll get there, someday. I see a technicolor shadow underneath your window. Just in case you don't know, I can see it. You cast an unfamiliar day glow, different than what I know, shining like a halo. I can feel it. We turned our back on the